Back once again with the Renegade Master. People, power to the people, back once again. We're back. Different one today. We're going down the allotment. If you don't know what an allotment is, it's a little patch of garden that you can rent for like something mad like £20 a year and grow bare veg on there. My missus's uncle, Paul, old type Paul Mellish, he's going to take me down. We're going to grab some fruit and veg. And then, yeah, it's up to you guys what I do with it. So, yeah. So, if you're into things like fresh veg and foraging and home sourced good food, the lockdown helped with this. Everyone was making bread, doing their own cooking, growing veg. I saw that a lot. This one's for you. Like and subscribe.
Flavor Station.
Right, flavour chasers, this is Mr. Paul Mellish, my wife's uncle. We're going to go down his lovely allotment now. Fresh organic veg. What you got, Paulie?
I've got carrots, onions, beetroot, cauliflower, cabbage, parsnips.
Yes.
Anything you want.
Oh yeah, baby. Anything we want. Hey up, Dens. R.I.P. to Dens the doggo. Right, we've arrived. We're at the allotment, Paulie's allotment. You get your own car parking space, which is sick. Sorry if there's wind noise. Whereabouts is your one?
Mine's over here. I've got two actually.
Two?
Yeah.
Splash the cash, baby. So as you can see, this is an allotment. People growing a variety of things, plants, veg. No sign of any ganja yet though. I'm intrigued to see what wonders we can uncover on this allotment, baby. Down the allotment, baby. There's a mess. Everything a mess. But this veg ain't a mess. There's Paulie. Say hello, Paul.
Alright, mate.
This is yours?
One of them, yeah.
Whoa. What's that? Savoy cabbage?
Savoy cabbage, yeah.
No way. Sick.
Yeah, cauliflowers.
Whoa. Collie. I bloody love cauliflower. British. Growing from scratch this year.
Yeah. Potatoes, yeah.
Taters.
Bunch of sprouts.
Sprouts.
They're coming on.
Have a look.
Coming on, but they're not ready yet.
Ready for Crimbo.
They're not ready, yeah, they'll be ready for Christmas. These carrots here.
Carrots, ladies and gentlemen. You pick a bit of that, munch on that, lovely. Floral. What's that there? Rhubarb. Oh ho ho ho! I've got loads of blackberries. I might make a blackberry and rhubarb crumble, you know. I did it! That'd be good.
Check out the
channel. I've already done it.
Right, so this is
The second one.
cauliflower.
More collie. Am I allowed to walk on this bit?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't trample the veg, cuz! Boy, mad thing. You know what? I didn't know cauliflower had such big leaves, you know. Every day's a school day, baby! Organic. Here's the shed where all the beers get drunk and the weed gets smoked, eh, Paul?
That's a bit of a mess at the moment. Right, so we've got runner beans down there. Whether they'll, a lot of them have gone old. So when we'll get any off here, I don't know. We'll have a look.
Tomatoes there, you've harvested them, haven't you? What are we looking for? Runner beans?
They're alright, some of them, yeah. Some of them are alright. A lot of them have gone old.
Beans, baby!
You can see these have gone all old.
So that's no good, this brown one here, no good.
See where they've gone all hard? Big.
Yeah.
They're no good, they've got the seed, you see? See, these are alright. So there's a few on here, but a lot of them, most of them have gone off, to be honest.
So how long have you been growing these runner beans? String bit, what they called?
25 years.
Whoa!
Same place. And then we walk up here. There's a little pond there, look.
I nearly walked in that, you know. That's a pond.
The reason we have ponds here is so that we get frogs in and they eat all the slugs and stuff.
Ah, okay. So like pest control, what's this now? Rhubarb again? Look at the size of it. Mad.
Sweet corn for the curry.
Sweet corn, yeah.
Yeah.
Pop that off, mate.
Harness is right. We'll have a look. That's right. I think it is. Yeah.
Oh, she's there.
How many would you like?
Just the one will do, mate. A vegan, organic. What's this now?
Sweet corn.
Cauliflower again. I've got to take a couple of them.
Well, you can have that one.
Okay. Let's pick it.
I'll go and get a knife.
Yes. Now we're talking. Char that bad boy. The cauliflower king.
You've got cauliflower.
Summer cabbage. I'll go summer cabbage. Softer.
Right, okay, right.
Summer cabbage. Let's have a look, Paul. Lovely jubbly.
Right,
Grabbing the
ready.
fork.
Not quite ready, but they're okay for. See what we've got here.
It's back-breaking graft, you know. Let's dig. Get these parsnips. Why? What we saying? Dig. Dig, Paulie. Dig.
Whoa.
He's got it. Whoa. Whoa. Jeez. Look at the size of that thing.
Well, that one's gone up a bit. But still
Look at that one. Mad. Organic, baby.
So how much you want?
Couple of them. Oh my days. Carrots, carrot leaf's good as well for stock. Oh my.
Not much good. Huh?
Do nicely. Look at that. The leaves.
Same as these.
Oh. Lovely for a stock. Alright, Paul informs me we have onions. Just getting here. Oh my. Go on, 4 of them. Homegrown.
Onions, yeah.
No messing. They look alike the testes. What's next, Paulie?
Potatoes, eh?
Taters, baby. So what we're looking for with the spuds, you just remember where you've put them. Whoa! We've struck spuds. We're in. We're in, mate. Now that, my friend, is a beautiful spud. Potato. What variety would you say they are? Just
Kestrel there.
Kestrel potatoes. Good for your back, eh, Paul? How where they bombo? There's something there. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Size of that bad boy. Yeah, mate, plenty. Sunday roast tomorrow now. So how long would you say, Paul? Because all of that is carrot. All along here is carrots. When did you plant those?
About April.
April time,
Yeah.
and there's that many now.
That many now, yeah.
And all of those sprouts same time.
Sprouts, yeah, about the same time.
Wow. Well, let's just deep these sprouts here, look. Try not to tread on the carrots. Yeah, bad trainer choice. Look. Sprouts, mate. Ready to put little crosses in the bottom? Oh my days, that is so sick.
Potatoes here, look.
More potatoes from Paulie. Paulie spuds. Legend.
Right, so next, do you want beetroot?
Do you know what? I won't say no for that Greek wrap. Can't remember what it's called, but beetroot can't be far off wrong. Oh my days. Straight out the ground. Who needs Lidl, eh? Yeah, that's right. I'm sending shots, baby.
Yeah, enough for.
3 will do me, Paul, mate.
Right, so I'm just going to mix it up because I've got someone else that wants some, which I shall take to her. Right, so that's that. Right, now.
Scallion.
Yeah.
Oh, they're down there. Scallion, ladies and gentlemen. Straight out the ground. So they're just planted as bulbs, yeah?
Yeah, no, they're planted as seed.
Seed? When did you plant those?
Jeez. About May.
Boy.
May time.
September, you've got spring onions.
This is the second lot of spring onions.
Would you think like COVID and lockdown made you plant more than you would normally?
Probably, yeah.
Just in case?
Probably.
Scallion. Beautiful. Some bloody good ingredients, mate. Good ingredients.
Yeah. So,
What made you get into it, Paul? Did you always do it as a kid and that, or?
I've always been interested in it.
Yeah.
I've been doing it for about 30 years. And it's one of those, it's one of these hobbies that you never stop learning.
Yeah.
You know, you pick up something all the time, every year, you know. You don't know everything all of the time.
Always learning.
Always learning.
Like chefs, mate.
Yeah, so, you know.
Kidney beans here, but they're not quite ready. Crazy. There's a bee pollinating there. All the pollen on its legs. Mad thing. I won't hurt you, baby. Look at that, mate. Pollinating the thing. Nature. Right, the haul. Let's reveal. We have onions, beetroot. What we got, Paul?
Potatoes, spring onions.
Cauliflower. Right, let's have a look. Carrots, parsnips, onions, summer cabbage. Lovely. Cauliflower, beetroot, potatoes, scallion, runner beans, sweet corn, fresh out the stoop. Let me get in there, look. Oh, baby. That's all you need. We're just hoping now that the bag stays. And that for the compost heap.
For the compost heap, which I'll put in.
Okay, straight in there. That's your compost. Now I've just noticed on someone else's bush,
That's some raspberries.
got some raspberries growing here. I won't tamper with them. Look at that. Look at that.
With the potatoes. Look.
Oh, the winter stash.
Yeah.
Let's have a look, Paul. That many.
Yeah.
Oh, redskins. Bloody hell. Christmas on you, mate. No messing.
And these are the what's left of the summer variety, look. Summer ones. Summer potatoes.
Ooh. Come on, grab that. Look at that. Bloody lovely. Produce, mate.
If you ever want any spuds, you know where to come.
I do now. Better than the Lidl, Aldi, Tesco, Sainsbury's stuff. Fresh from the ground here in Burton-on-Trent, sunny Burton, UK, England. Lovely. Thank you, Paul.
My pleasure.
Can everyone just give Paul a round of applause, please? Paul, give yourself a clap, mate. Yes, true flavour chaser. You heard it here first, folks. Cheers, Paul. Thanks for showing us around, mate.
No, my pleasure.
My bag full of goodies. Looks like compost, but it won't do. Beautiful produce. Before we leave, we've spotted it. Fresh British rhubarb. Everyone loves a rhubarb crumble. Got some blackberries we foraged. Lovely. About 4 will do me, Paulie. Bloody beautiful stuff, baby. Yes! Look, fit indeed. Look at that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah! Right then, we're back where the magic happens. We're back with the vegetables. Looks like a sack of nothing, but there's parsnips, we got cauliflower, potatoes, beetroot, everything. Let's wash it, get it looked at. We've got some rhubarb too. Let's get it all good, all washed, and we'll check back. Now it's all washed, all looking lovely. Actually looking like proper veg, blood. Look, potatoes, sweet corn, carrot, beetroot, spring onion, cauliflower, summer cabbage, Savoy cabbage, green beans, runner beans, long beans, string bean, whatever bean. Look on this something there, man. Oh, it's a mad thing. Rhubarb. I'm gassed, you know. I ain't even gonna lie. That is, look at them potatoes. There ain't no messing with this. If you made it this far, you best subscribe, you know. Get out of it, you. Yeah, little sods. Yeah.
Neighbor Station.